We are all looking for the summum bonum, the highest good, the ultimate place, the greatest happiness. And we're about it all the time, struggling for it, looking for it, wondering where it is. Well, back in 1952, I claimed I'd found the place. It's right where I am. It's right where you are. And all this looking for it everywhere, every day, year in and year out, is such a waste of time. Why? It's right where you are. We're all here in this classroom called Earth, trying to discover something, the ultimate. And we're all looking for it externally, where it isn't. If we will only turn our direction back upon ourselves, we will discover it's right here where I am, where you are, right in your very own beingness. I say, are you? You say, yes. I say, that's it. Do nothing else but that, and you'll be in the ultimate good and the ultimate state of happiness. But why don't you do it? You're so habituated into looking for it over there, over here, in him, in her, in this job, and it never is there. So we're all going through the same trip of trying to discover what is this all about? Where is my happiness? And when we stop chasing after it out there and we turn inward, we discover that all these hard, negative, terrible feelings are only a feeling, and that it is possible to get rid of these feelings by releasing them. And all these feelings are subconscious programs, every bit of them put in as pro-survival. It's not only fear that they say is fight or flight, that is survival. All our feelings have been programmed in to automatically keep us surviving. They keep us all the time looking out there, trying to survive. Keep our mind active subconsciously 24 hours a day, so never for even one moment do we stop thinking and discover what we are. If you could just stop your thinking for one moment, you will go through the most tremendous experience there is, that you are the totality of this universe in your beingness. That when your mind goes quiet, you automatically see, I am the most terrific being there is in this universe. I am whole, complete, perfect. I always was, I am now, and I always will be. So what is it that keeps us from being in that most delectable state there is? Simply the accumulated programs called feelings. All these negative feelings have us constantly struggling to survive